Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wireless dash camera is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any car owner. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road, constantly recording your journeys and providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of wireless dash cameras, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records videos in stunning 4K resolution. The clarity and quality are exceptional, providing a superior recording experience compared to other dash cams. It ensures you capture every detail on the road. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, this camera captures clear footage even in low-light conditions. The 6-glass lens and f1.5 aperture work together to provide exceptional clarity. This helps you record even in the dark. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can easily manage recordings using the ROVE app on your smartphone. You can download videos quickly and share them on social media. It makes sharing your driving experiences simple. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. You can view your route and track your journey on Google Maps via the app. It provides valuable data for your records. This dash cam includes a supercapacitor, parking mode, motion detection, and a wide-angle lens. It also features G-sensor, loop recording, and emergency video lock. It's designed with state-of-the-art technology. This dash camera is backed by a full 1-year warranty. The company is based in the USA and offers excellent customer care. You can easily reach out to them for any questions or issues. What we like. This dash cam boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD recording, ensuring every detail is captured with exceptional clarity. It also features built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to quickly download and share videos. If you're looking for top-tier video quality and easy sharing capabilities, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. You just plug it into the car charging socket. You can also hardwire it into your car if you're knowledgeable and comfortable doing so. I also tried the app. It lets you download your footage in real time by connecting to the dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi. I've been extremely happy with this camera. For the money I couldn't have asked for more. This will most likely be the last update, as I'm sure you're tired of reading this review by now, grinning face with smiling eyes. It's an awesome camera, just buy it, you won't be disappointed. In closing, stay safe out there, be well, and live life to its fullest. 2-year update. Well, here we are 2 years after purchasing this camera. It's scary how fast time flies. I don't have a lot to add to my original review. The camera still functions perfectly and I'm still very satisfied with my purchase. I download a short video to my phone every few months just to make sure the camera, memory card, app, and Wi-Fi still function properly, and I glance up at the camera when I start the vehicle just to make sure it's recording for each trip. I still use the original app available for the camera, and the Samsung memory card that was recommended and purchased with the camera at the time of my original review. I notice now that ROVE is recommending other types of memory card, and there have been app upgrades since, but I'm not going to mess with a good thing, so I'll keep everything as it is. Overall, I have been more than satisfied with my ROVE experience. If when this one eventually fails, I will not hesitate to purchase another one, so ROVE, please don't stop making this camera. Original unedited review. I purchased this camera at an Amazon Prime Day price. I also purchased a Samsung Evo Select, Class 10, U3, 168GB micro SD card at the same time, as one isn't supplied with the camera. I have been using the camera for about 4 weeks at the time of this review. This is a nice, small, unobtrusive dashcam. It appears, and feels, to be built from quality materials. It comes with a couple of different brackets for mounting. The double-sided tape mounting bracket was the best option for my 07 Jeep Wrangler due to the near-vertical windshield. The suction mount, when mounted nearly vertical, held the lens almost right on the glass. I mounted mine to the plastic trim above the windshield with a supplied tape mount where it's perfectly stable and holds the lens a couple of inches from the windshield. The instruction booklet supplied with the camera is well written and easy to follow. There are also several how-to video tutorials available on the ROVE website which go into detail of the operation, setup, and button shortcuts available on this camera. The camera's onboard menus are easy to follow and navigate. There is even voice guidance with each button press, which is in clear English, in a female voice. That's just plain cool at this price point. With even basic knowledge of electronic gadgets, setup is straightforward and can be completed in about 10 minutes or less. If after reading the included instruction booklet, and viewing the video tutorials, you still have questions, concerns, or problems, a text or an email sent to ROVE is quickly answered in a kind, informative, and professional manner. My own initial questions, via text, were answered in less than 3 minutes, and it was on a Sunday. It's also refreshing that the technicians are based right here in the USA in Chicago. This camera's video quality is outstanding. Although you can view the videos on the screen of the camera, just be aware that the screen is very small and pixelated. It's not a fault, it's there if you need it, or want to use it, and it functions as it should, but don't expect full HD video results on a 2-inch screen. Pulling the SD card and viewing on a computer, or a quick download to my Android phone, after installing the free app, using the built-in Wi-Fi results in a high-quality HD video that can be viewed by, or shared with anyone. At 1080p at 60 fps, with the 168GB Samsung Evo Select Micro SD card that I chose, a 1-minute video, 157 MB, can be downloaded via Wi-Fi to my old Samsung Galaxy S8 in under a minute, and a 3-minute video, for 64 MB, in roughly 2.5 minutes. I haven't found a need to operate my camera above 1080p at 60 fps yet, but at that resolution videos, when viewed on my phone, are sharp and clear with bright natural colors, and without glitches or twitches. I am more than satisfied with the video quality and camera performance on bright sunny days, nighttime, and on rainy or overcast days. It has been used in all of those conditions already and performed above my expectations. Although nothing new, this camera has a very sensitive built-in microphone that records audio to the video. Thankfully it can be permanently disabled in the settings menu if you wish. Again, it is very sensitive. I've left mine on but am mindful of what I say out loud these days. All I hear in the videos, unless I'm on the phone, conversing with a passenger, or accidentally muttering an obscenity at another driver, is the radio when it's on, the hum of my off-road tires, and large bugs smacking the windshield. A simple button push, the up button, on mine, enables a quick toggle on or off of the mic, or as mentioned before, you can disable it completely in the settings menu. The mic is very useful during traffic stops, or road rage incidents, where people are close enough to the vehicle to be heard, so I leave mine on and only toggle it off if I don't want audio recorded at that moment. I can't report on longevity or lifespan of the camera yet, as I've only had it for a month, but so far I have experienced zero issues. The camera comes with a 12-month factory warranty, and I purchased a 3-year protection plan through Amazon, Biuone, at the same time I purchased the camera. The protection plan rides on the back of the factory warranty for the first 12 months, then acts as a true extended warranty for the remaining 2 years. I'm covered for any unforeseen mechanical issues, or faults, for 3 years, so I'm happy. Having this camera provides peace of mind, and an added sense of security, in the event something does happen in future while driving and I need an unbiased, honest, witness to the event. I have already recommended this camera to friends and family members. There are better cameras out there, I'm sure, but at this price point you are getting a lot of camera for your money. Number 4. REDTIGER F7 NP 4K Dashcam. This dashcam records in stunning 4K resolution, capturing every detail on the road. It also records in 1080p for the rear camera, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Equipped with an f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology, it excels in low-light conditions. This allows it to capture clear and detailed footage even at night. Connect this dashcam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. You can easily view, playback, and manage videos through the REDTIGER app on your phone. It has a built-in GPS that records your driving route, speed, and location. You can track your journeys and provide additional evidence if needed. This dashcam features loop recording and a G-sensor to automatically save important footage. It also offers 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse function, requiring a hardware kit. This dashcam comes with an 18-month assurance and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. It is designed to meet your needs. What we like. With its 4K front and 1080p rear recording, this dashcam provides comprehensive coverage of the road. The superior night vision ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. If you prioritize both front and rear coverage with excellent night vision, this dashcam is the ideal solution. What people say. Easy to install and with clearly written English instructions. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. Even more importantly, it has a good app that you can use to directly download video from the cam without pulling the card and taking it to a computer. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N4K Dual Dash Cam. This dashcam features front and rear dual cameras. Each captures views at ultra-wide angles. It records everything while you are driving, so you won't miss any details in playback. With its Ultra HD 4K resolution, the front camera provides an incredibly clear image. The rear camera offers full HD 1080p resolution. You'll enjoy the clarity to the fullest. Night driving can be tricky, but this dashcam makes it easier. It incorporates a large aperture, advanced tech, and a StarVis sensor. This helps it handle difficult lighting conditions, ensuring you see clearly. These features keep you updated. Connect via Wi-Fi to view, download, or share videos using your smartphone. The GPS function provides your driving route, speed, location, and other metrics. This dashcam monitors your car while parked. Loop recording provides constant surveillance. The built-in G sensor accurately records emergencies and locks them. Everything is clarified in the footage. It's easy to install. Just slip it into the bracket to get ready. You can clearly view all options on its screen. It also supports a 1-year warranty and 7/24 after-sales service. What we like. This dash cam offers a stunning 4K front camera for crystal clear recordings. The superior night vision, enhanced by advanced technology, ensures safety during night drives. If you want a dash cam with high-resolution recording and excellent night performance, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a lot of setting options and toggles, what to show and not show as far as speed, location, audio, etc. The buttons and settings are fairly intuitive. It is reasonably small and unobtrusive. It can hold a 256GB SD card. The front and back cameras together use up a bit over 1.2GB every 5 minutes, so about 15GB an hour. So the card will hold about 15 hours or a bit more. Number 2. VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam. This dash cam features 3 channels, recording the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. It captures everything happening around you, providing comprehensive protection. The high-resolution images effectively capture important details. In dual recording mode, the front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures in 1080p. The rear camera is easily adjustable, and the front camera can record up to 4K when used alone. This ensures clear visibility of license plates and road signs. You can configure the settings to record the front and interior of your whole cabin in 1440p plus 1440p high resolution. The adjustable inside camera ensures more flexibility and better viewing. It's ideal for rideshare drivers. Equipped with a StarVis CMOS sensor and IR LED lights, this camera enhances visibility in low-light conditions. It captures clear footage of the driver and passengers, even in complete darkness. This is perfect for rideshare drivers. With parking mode, the dash cam keeps recording continuously or initiates recording upon motion or collision. It needs to be connected to a hardware kit or an external battery. This ensures your vehicle is protected at all times. Powered by a supercapacitor, this camera withstands extreme temperatures. This extends the lifespan of the device. It's ideal for use in both hot and cold climates. The G sensor detects sudden impacts and locks the footage. Loop recording automatically overwrites old files. An optional GPS mount tracks your route and speed. It supports up to 256GB of external memory. What we like. This dash cam offers 3-channel recording, capturing the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. The infrared night vision ensures clear footage inside the car, even in complete darkness. If you are a rideshare driver or someone who needs comprehensive coverage, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The video quality is incredibly clear, and although I was hesitant about getting the N4 that has the cabin cam, I think the interior is gradually becoming my favorite of the 3 cams. I would say the N4 offers the absolute best parking mode options. It has G-sensor detection, motion sensor, a combination of the two, and even low-resolution continuous recording, as well as time-lapse with 2 options 1 FPS and 5 FPS. First of all, you get 3 cameras, all with fantastic video. I have hardwired mine using the hardwire kit from VANTRUE and also the GPS mount. I was having trouble with parking mode at first, but I think I did not understand how it worked, but now that I have paid more attention, I went out and checked all the files and found out that parking mode is working perfectly. It then switches to normal recording once I enter the car and turn it on. Installation was breeze, taking less than 3 hours, and that included the search for a constant power connection. I have tried other dash cams, but this one is the most fantastic one I have ever seen, and with all the features, auto night view, auto turn off of LCD screen, parking mode that works no matter which camera detects the motion, collision detection, etc., I cannot think of a better deal. Number 1. Biuone A20 dash cam front and rear. This dash cam comes with a USB port, so you don't need to worry about charging your phone. It combines f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, allowing you to see every detail clearly. You can use the front camera alone or both front and rear cameras. The dashcam features loop recording, so it will never run out of storage. It records in 1080p at 30 frames per second, capturing all the details on the road. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will help you. The front camera has a 170 degrees wide view, and the rear camera has a 140 degrees view. This reduces blind spots and captures more details. You can also set it to turn off the screen while still recording, so it won't distract you. You can easily mount the suction cup to your windshield in seconds. The operation is simple and user-friendly, even for new users. If you don't need the reversing mode, the rear camera is easy to set up as well. The G sensor automatically detects and locks important recordings. It restores driving videos and photos with high sensitivity. You can view playback on the camera itself or on your computer, but it does not support an app. You can connect the red wire of the rear camera to the reversing light for reversing mode. If your car already has a reversing system, you can wrap the rear camera cable with tape, and it will keep recording during reversing. The Biuone A20 car camera comes with a 32G card already inserted. It has been sold for many years and has been upgraded based on customer feedback. It's a very reliable product. You can also use the front dash cam only. What we like. This dash cam provides 1080p front and rear recording, capturing essential details on the road. The G sensor automatically detects and locks important footage. If you're looking for a simple, easy to install dash cam with reliable features, this is the one for you. What people say. The nighttime recording is as good as my own sight. The view is bright and the camera angle is wide as well, so it covers a good portion of what you can see in front of you. You get a reverse camera, and the suction cup mount for the main camera body is superb as well. There are multiple cords you receive for attaching to a computer, another for operation, cigarette lighter power outlet adapter, etc., and it comes with a micro SD card too. Everything included in the kit works well, easy install, and menu is simple and functional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.